anything.
This is your answer. Calora's time has come. Tonight she will be off.
What do I do?
But tonight she makes her choice. You want to be chosen.
More than anything in the world.
Well, then get in the circle with the unmarried men. Hurry! Not so close. Make room for Kalora beside you.
But I haven't had a chance to talk to her. How do I know she'll choose me? Look at them.
She's known these others all her life.
But she wants you.
But suppose she gets cold feet, changes her mind.
And you're out of luck.
Talk to her now?
Yes. You're now my brother.
Kalora, your people will not understand my words, but I must say them because they have such deep meaning to me. And I say them for the first time. I love you beyond anything in the world.
From now on, we will be together.
My daughter has made her choice. They go to the common house. Well, if I wanted her too, what could I do about it?
Nothing. But you could let her know. It would make her happy, I think.
But how can I let her know unless I tell her? And that's forbidden.
Let your eyes speak as hers did to you.
But what about these other young men? I could end up having a coconut cracked over my head.
No. There is no word for jealousy in our language either. If anyone takes life that seriously here, he is either a fool or he is sick.
Ahi kuonala ni imi po mai kai. Ai he ao. Ai he ao kalangila. Ai 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 kalala. He anai kalala. Oi anai kalu. He ana. He anai kalala. Oi anai kalu. Akanalu o herula. Eloi ai kaula. Akanalu o herula. Eloi ai kaula. Ai loke ano ahi ahi. Loke ano. Loke ano ahi ahi te aloha la. Inkamai alia anamai. Ke hiu nei. Kahelu maua. Ua kau e nahai. Maho. Ke hiu nei. Kahelu maua. Ua kau e nahai. Ai, ia oi kalai alohi nei. Ia oi kalai alohi nei. Mana vele naua o raho nua. O ike ahe oi ahe kounani. Ika mala mala ma oi kela kela. Nau ino ino velo aku. Kau na pali maha ika ike ia. Nau ino velo aku. Kau na pali maha ika ike ia. Ke oe ika nani a oi i velda. Ika hene vai o lula me maria. E mauna i tonia i ke ona ona. Kaulana i ka nani me ke kihehie. Mauna i tonia i ke ona ona. Kaulana i ka nani me ke kihehie. Ka hau ai hamatu i ka e o pai ulala. Oi oi lunala, e toi la lola. Oi oi lunala, e toi la lola. Tu hoi ka wewe ke kui kele. Hey no yala. Hey no yala. Hey no yala. Oi oi hey yala. Mama hey.
Kali. Come. Kahuna, you have called a pau. The people are gone. Speak. I've said the white one would come. He has come. And with him came the thunder. Clouds were dark. I have looked into waters and into the fire. I have seen evil there. This white one brings evil with him. He must go from this place.
Hear me, Kahuna. On the big island of America, I came a stranger. There was no one of my kind. This man came from the land of France. He was a stranger, too. But it was he who first gave me his hand, who gave me friendship in the lonely place. He is as my brother.
It is good that he gave you friendship on the big island. But he has come here, and his coming has brought evil signs. Through them the gods have spoken. He must go.